writing mixed numbers as improper fractions. Okay, what is a mixed number? Yes, Isaac?
Whole number and a fraction.
A whole number and a fraction, not just a fraction, not just a whole number, but they're mixed. Okay, we're going to learn how to write them as improper fractions. All right, let's say there were 3 and 5/6 pies on a shelf. Okay, how many did the server cut each pie in based on what we see? Yes, okay, so watch what happens. I'm going to do 3 pies plus this extra one to do that in, okay? And how many pieces is it broken into?
6.
Yes. So basically it looks like an X with a line in the middle, line with an X, line with an X, line with an X. All right, so the server, here's how many pies were on the shelf. That one was full, that one was full, that one was full, and almost all of these were full. 5 of those out of 6. Okay, now, because these were cut into 6s, that's what our denominator is. Okay, does everybody see that? Isaac, how many slices are there total? 23. So he basically did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Very good. So there are 23 slices that were broken up into 6s. Does everybody see how we did that? Now, this is the illustrative way that we do that problem. Anybody know how to do it mathematically?
I don't know.
Anybody know?
Does the 5 do anything in it?
Do what?
Does the 5 do anything?
It's going to, yeah. Okay, so watch what happens. In order to take a mixed number and make it improper, what am I going to do?
Oh, could you times 3 times 6?
Yes.
Do 18 plus 5.
You're exactly right. So here's what I want you to do. Draw a line from this 6 to this 3, and you're going to put a times on it. See that times?
Oh, I remember this.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay? And what did that equal?
18.
18. Then you're going to take that 18 and draw it to the 5, and you're going to put a plus. Now make sure you're kind of distinguishing. You may want to circle them to show that those are like signs. It's not a letter or whatever. It's times and plus. And then this answer, 18 plus 5 equals 23. And then you just move your 6 over. That's the way you do it. Does everybody remember that? Anybody remember doing that? Okay. This was from last year, so it may kind of be like, wait a minute, not quite getting it. All right, let's do another one mathematically. 2 and 3/4. Okay? Do it on your paper if you think you can know how. I'll leave this one up here as an example, and then we'll do it together. Okay? Just a minute, Isaac. Do that one on your paper. If you've got it, show it to me on your paper. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, you gotta put the bottom number on. Yes, you gotta put the bottom number on. Yes. Okay. Nope, do it mathematically. We're gonna do it mathematically. Okay, so everybody watch. For those of you that need to know, my very first step is to do what? Times 4 times 2. Okay? 4 times 2 is 8. Very good. And then what do I do with this 8?
Add it to 3.
Add it to 3. I'm going to add that. And 8 plus 3 is 11. And what do I do with this 4? Bring it over. That's my answer. Okay? If you wanted to do it visually, we would have 2 whole pies, and they're cut into how many slices? 4. Okay, and I have 2 whole, and then 3 out of the 4. So how many slices total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 out of 4. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, one more. Actually, it's going to be 2 more because you're going to do 2 problems within this one. Okay? Find, here's what it says. Write 1 2/3 as an improper fraction and 2 2/5 as an improper fraction. And then multiply the improper fractions. Okay, that's what it's telling me to do. To write 1 2/3 and 2 2/5 into improper fractions. Then multiply the improper fractions and tell me what you would get. Okay? So let's do this one first. What are we going to convert that one to? And what are we going to convert that one into? Who wants to help me with the first one? Jaden? Okay?
So 3 times 1 is 3.
3 times 1 is 3.
Plus 2 is 5.
3 plus 2 is... Wait. 3 plus 2 is
5.
5.
Over 3.
5 over 3. Very good. So this one's going to become 5 over 3. Okay? What about this one? Who wants to help me with this one? I need another helper. Isaac?
5 times 2.
5 times 2 is 10. And 10 plus 2 is 12. So we would do 12 over 5. Does this one matter if my denominators are the same? No, do not get tricked, because we're wanting to multiply, not add or subtract. If we were adding or subtracting, we would have to make that into the same denominator. But because we are multiplying,
After we do it, do we make it proper?
yes. Okay, so let's work this problem. Okay, they told us to then multiply the improper fractions. 5 times 12 is 60. 3 times 5 is 15. What's wrong with it? Isaac, what's wrong with this problem?
It's improper.
It's improper. So I need to make it proper. How am I going to do that, Isaac? You can reduce first and then convert, or you can convert and then reduce.
I'm converting.
What do you want to do?
Convert, then reduce.
Convert, then reduce? 60 divided by 15. How many times will 60 go into 15? Or 15 go into 60, sorry. 4 times? Yes, you are right. And the answer is?
4.
4. Very good. Okay? Basically what this would have looked like if I were to reduce first and then convert, it would have looked like this. I would have said, what number goes into 60 and 15? I would have chosen 5. And so 5 goes into this one I would divide it by 5, and this one I would divide it by 5. Okay? And 5 times, I'm going blank, 12, thank you. Okay? And then I would go, okay, 12 thirds can still reduce. What number will go into both those? I would go 3. And as you can see, 12 divided by 3 is 4. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 4 over 1 actually equals 4. Everybody understand how you could do that either way? Okay. So, pretty simple. Everybody understands? Alrighty. That's it.